to my bike ride. These are a couple of my friends I normally stop by and say hello to. There's a sheep as well. The sheep's new to me, I've never met the sheep before. Yeah, it's pretty windy mine, so actually it's windy than I thought it was going to be. So yes, it's very windy actually. I think the sheep coming over. I was coming over to say hello, maybe. Yeah, it is windy, mind. I didn't quite realise how windy it was before I set off. Yes. Yeah. I'm not that far from my house. No, I'm not really. It is windy. So yeah. The wind isn't blowing against me going home. That's going to be hard work. It's pretty hard work getting here, so I'm hoping the wind will be behind me going home. But yeah, here we are. I was told the names of these horses by the owners and I can't remember what they were. Yeah, I can't remember. This afternoon's adventures. Yeah, let's get back on my bike and